Welcome to the world of healthy, thriving gardens. Introducing Nutrimax, the ultimate solution for your plant's nutritional needs. Crafted with precision, Nutrimax is a multi-plant micronutrient granule packed with essential nutrients your plants crave. Each granule is enriched with zinc, iron, magnesium, and other vital micronutrients to boost plant health and growth. Experience stronger stems, greener leaves, and higher yields. Nutrimax ensures that your plants get all the micronutrients they need for optimal growth. Using Nutrimax is simple. Just apply around the base of your plants, mix lightly with soil, and water thoroughly. Suitable for vegetables, flowers, and fruit plants. Safe for your garden, family, and the environment, Nutrimax is a gardener's eco-friendly choice.